Want to look stylish without buying a whole new wardrobe? In this video, I'm sharing fashion tips that can instantly improve your style. Whether you're a college student, working professional, or just starting your fashion journey, these tips will help you dress with more confidence. Let's get started. Tip 1. Wear clothes that fit well. The biggest style upgrade isn't expensive clothes, it's the right fit. Clothes that are too tight or too loose can affect the overall look. Choose pieces that fit your body comfortably. Tip 2. Build a wardrobe with basics. Start with timeless basics like black jeans, blue jeans, a white shirt, a black top, neutral trousers, and a denim jacket. These pieces can be mixed and matched to create many outfits. Tip 3. Learn color combinations. Good color combinations make an outfit look polished. Try white plus blue, olive plus cream, brown plus beige, pink plus white. Neutrals are easy to style and rarely go out of fashion. Tip 4. Match shoes with the outfit. White sneakers work with casual outfits. Nude heels pair well with dresses and ethnic wear. Loafers are great for office outfits, while black heels go with evening looks. Tip 5. Don't overdo accessories. If your outfit has bold prints, keep your accessories simple. For plain outfits, add statement earrings, layered necklaces, or a stylish handbag. Tip 6. Dress for the occasion. Choose your outfit based on where you're going. Casual clothes for everyday outings, smart outfits for work, elegant styles for parties, and comfortable clothing for travel. Tip 7. Keep clothes neat. Even a simple outfit looks better when it's clean, wrinkle-free, and well-maintained. Taking care of your clothes makes a big difference. Tip 8. Find your personal style. You don't have to follow every trend. Experiment with different looks and discover what makes you feel comfortable and confident. I hope these fashion tips help you create stylish outfits with confidence. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I post fashion tips, styling guides, and outfit ideas regularly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.